Okay, this video today is about how to boot Ubuntu 16.04.6 LTS with the Unity desktop environment installed alongside 9 operating systems including Windows 10. Just double click here, install Ubuntu. Ubuntu is supported until April 2021, so I'm planning to install all the available Ubuntu desktop, Ubuntu version and flavors. Okay, select your language, click continue. I recommend not connect to the internet and don't install no software. Do after the installation. Click continue. Okay, here you're going to select something else. Click continue. Okay, I already have the UEFI partition. I have two swap partition here, and on the free space here, right click, double click, then it's going to be 20 gigabyte partition. 480 is 20 gigabyte. Select the mount point. Click OK. So partition SDA 13. That's the partition we're going to install the OS. Click install now. Click continue. Select where you're located here in the world. Click continue. Okay, the computer name here, you can be PC1, the computer name can be PC1 or PC2, whatever name you want to give to it. So I'm going to set up my username in my account. Now I just have to do is wait until it finishes the installation. It's going to take around like 10 minutes and I'm going to pause the video. So the installation is complete. What I have to do is click continue testing here. Okay, my next video is going to be how to 11 boot Ubuntu 18.04.2 LTS with the GNOME desktop environment. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.